Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The 2026 Infiniti QX80 arrives as a bold statement in the ultra-luxury large family SUV segment, blending commanding presence with refined comfort and advanced technology designed for modern families who want it all. From the moment you see it, the QX80 feels powerful and prestigious, with a massive grille, sharp LED lighting, and a confident stance that dominates the road while still looking elegant in every detail. Step inside and you are welcomed by a cabin that feels more like a private lounge than a traditional SUV, wrapped in premium leather, real wood accents, and meticulous craftsmanship that reflects Infiniti's focus on luxury. The seats are wide, supportive, and incredibly comfortable, making long road trips feel effortless for both the driver and passengers. With 3 spacious rows, the QX80 easily accommodates large families, offering generous legroom and headroom even in the 3rd row, so everyone travels in comfort without compromise. The 2026 model takes technology to the next level with a large high-resolution infotainment display, a fully digital driver cluster, and seamless smartphone integration that keeps you connected wherever you go. Rear seat entertainment ensures kids stay entertained on long journeys, while a premium sound system fills the cabin with rich, immersive audio that turns every drive into an experience. Under the hood, the 2026 Infiniti QX80 delivers strong and confident performance, providing smooth acceleration and impressive towing capability, making it perfect for family adventures, trailers, or boats. Despite its size, the ride quality is refined and composed, thanks to advanced suspension tuning that absorbs bumps and keeps the cabin quiet and stable on highways and city roads alike. Safety is a major highlight, with a full suite of advanced driver assistance systems designed to protect your family at all times. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking work together to provide peace of mind, whether you are driving in heavy traffic or cruising on long highways. Practicality is another strong point, as the QX80 offers a large cargo area that expands easily when the rear seats are folded, giving you the flexibility to carry luggage, groceries, or sports equipment with ease. Every detail in the cabin is thoughtfully designed, from multiple USB ports and wireless charging to ambient lighting that enhances the luxury atmosphere at night. The 2026 Infiniti QX80 is not just about transportation, it is about creating a premium lifestyle experience for families who demand space, comfort, and prestige. It combines traditional luxury values with modern innovation, making it an ideal choice for those who want a powerful SUV that feels refined and family-friendly at the same time. Whether you are heading to a business meeting, a school run, or a long family vacation, the QX80 delivers confidence, comfort, and class in every mile. In a world full of large SUVs, the 2026 Infiniti QX80 stands out by offering true ultra-luxury without sacrificing practicality, making it one of the most complete and desirable family SUVs of its time. We'll see you next video.